Hey everyone, in today's video we will see how to update the default description for all your YouTube videos. Also do check out the YouTube launch playbook which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. So I already uploaded a video for upload default settings, what you can do for your YouTube channel, right? But particularly in this video I'm going to share how you can update the upload default description which will appear for every video you upload, right? So simply go to your YouTube studio and go to settings on the left hand side over here. When you go to settings for your channel, click on upload defaults, right? So you can even set anything in title which you want to keep at upload default, but I have set my description this part in my upload default, wherein I have put my affiliate links for the video equipment I use. I have put the attributions for most of the videos I use, stock videos, and I created using Microsoft Clipchamp. I have put subscribe to other channels and the links for all my social media profiles, which I want to appear in every video so that whoever checks has access to this, and these are common for all videos irrespective of what the video is for, right? So what you can do is basically add maybe certain things like your affiliate links, maybe your channel call out, channel profile links for different social media channels, or you can put any disclaimer like I have put the attribution for my stock videos, right? You can put any disclaimer, or if you have rolled out any digital products you can include those links over here. If you have any referral links you can put those over here, right? So these are the things which you can put in the video description and set it as upload default so that you don't have to update this for every video on your channel. If you have any queries, do drop in the comment section and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.